Is D-Day for Sarasota Congressman Vern Buchanan, who is supposed to find out if the U.S. House of Representatives Ethics Committee will pursue charges against him. Although the wealthy Republican dodged a bullet on charges he violated federal election laws, 10 News investigator Mike Deason explains, regardless of what the Ethics Committee decides, Buchanan faces other severe legal problems.
We're talking about thousands of fraudulent transactions. Look, thousands.
Consumer advocate Dwayne Overholt says those fraudulent transactions took place at car dealerships owned by U.S. Congressman Vern Buchanan of Sarasota.
How many people will concede that a U.S. Congressman who took an oath to protect the consumer, his voters, would break the law? Well, he has, according to the whistleblowers, and according to the documents they supplied, he has.
Overholt has compiled complaints and lawsuits filed by former employees and customers. Some of the lawsuits have been settled out of court. Some are working their way through the courts, where Buchanan denies any wrongdoing.
Thousands of documents that support everything they said was true.
They destroyed my...
Jeff Sutton is a consumer who says he was a Buchanan victim when he bought this Dodge Caravan from Buchanan's dealership. The loan he was promised wouldn't fly with the bank, so the dealership forged his signature on a different loan with a higher rate.
I mean, you're very angry. You feel like you've been violated.
But whistleblowers say forging documents was no big deal at the congressman's dealerships. Managers, partners, and financial employees have testified in depositions and alleged in various lawsuits that Buchanan's dealerships not only forged signatures, but falsified information on credit applications, falsely reported cars sold to the manufacturer in order to get rebates for cars that were still on the lot, and solicited illegal campaign contributions.
If there was wrongdoing, he was the captain of the ship. He has to own up to that responsibility of what his businesses were doing, even if it was behind his back. But it was right in front of his face. In fact, it was not only in front of his face, it was at his direction, control, and command.
And then there are the tax evasion issues. Buchanan's chief financial officer, Sal Rosa, who is working with the IRS, has testified in depositions Buchanan is guilty